Exercise 1. Part A. Choose the right word for the given definition. 1. Bad or hurting others. A. Afraid. B. Clever. C. Cruel. D. Hunt. 2. Last or at the end. A. Angry. B. Clever. C. Finally. D. Reply. 3. To try to fight or hurt. A. Attack. B. Middle. C. Pleased. D. Trick. 4. To not let others see. A. Agree. B. Hide. C. Safe. D. Well. 5. The lowest part. A. Bottom. B. Lot. C. Moment. D. Promise.
Part B. Choose the right definition for the given word. 1. Angry. A. Happy. B. Lot. C. Mad. D. Scared. 2. Moment. A. A hole with water in it. B. A short time. C. At the center. D. At the end. 3. Promise. A. To say good job. B. To say I will. C. To say the end. D. To say maybe. 4. Reply. A. To answer. B. To get to a place. C. To look for in order to kill. D. To try to fight or hurt. 5. Safe. A. Fool. B. Having much or many. C. Not seen. D. Not worried about begin hurt. Exercise 2. Check the sentence with the bolded word that makes better sense. 1. A. A clever person can solve a puzzle easily. B. When a plane arrives, it leaves the ground and goes into the sky. 2. A. At noon, the sun is near the bottom of the sky. B. If I break my brother's bike, he will be angry. 3. A. It is easy to hide in a dark place. B. Many kinds of fish are afraid of water. 4. A. At night, your parents may say, hide your eyes and go to sleep. B. Heavy things will go down to the bottom of the ocean. 5. A. It is cruel to keep a dog in a small cage all day. B. Your mother will be angry when you get good grades in school. 6. A. Animals cannot hunt because they do not have hands. B. It is a good idea to arrive early for class. 7. A. People sometimes attack pictures to email messages. B. Some people are afraid of spiders. 8. A. A moment is like a second or two. B. New shoes are usually not very comfortable or clever. 9. A. Small animals do not usually attack big animals. B. There are 12 moments in a year. 10. A. A cruel person will try to help others at all times. B. You can use a gun to hunt in the forest.
The Lion and the Rabbit. A cruel lion lived in the forest. Every day, he killed and ate a lot of animals. The other animals were afraid the lion would kill them all. The animals told the lion, "Let's make a deal. If you promise to eat only one animal each day, then one of us will come to you every day. Then you don't have to hunt and kill us." The plan sounded well thought out to the lion, so he agreed, but he also said, "If you don't come every day, I promise to kill all of you the next day." Each day after that, one animal went to the lion so that the lion could eat it. Then, all the other animals were safe. Finally, it was the rabbit's turn to go to the lion. The rabbit went very slowly that day, so the lion was angry when the rabbit finally arrived. The lion angrily asked the rabbit, "Why are you late?" "I was hiding from another lion in the forest. That lion said he was the king, so I was afraid." The lion told the rabbit, "I am the only king here. Take me to that other lion, and I will kill him." The rabbit replied, "I will be happy to show you where he lives." The rabbit led the lion to an old well in the middle of the forest. The well was very deep with water at the bottom. The rabbit told the lion, "Look in there. The lion lives at the bottom." When the lion looked in the well, he could see his own face in the water. He thought that was the other lion. Without waiting another moment, the lion jumped into the well to attack the other lion. He never came out. All of the other animals in the forest were very pleased with the rabbit's clever trick.
Reading comprehension. Answer the questions. 1. What is this story about? A. How a clever rabbit tricked a cruel lion. B. How rabbits learn to hide from lions. C. How a rabbit pleased an angry lion. D. How to be safe when you hunt in the forest. 2. What did all the animals say to the lion? A. They said they wanted him to be their king. B. They said that the rabbit would be there in a moment. C. They said that they would allow him to eat one of them a day. D. They said that they would hide at the bottom of the well. 3. Why did the rabbit take the lion to the well in the middle of the forest? A. So a lot of animals could see the rabbit walking with the lion. B. So the lion could attack the other lion. C. So the lion could drink water. D. So the other animals would be afraid of the rabbit. 4. Which of the following is true at the end of the story? A. The lion attacked another lion, and they both got hurt. B. The lion cannot reply to the rabbit, so the rabbit wins. C. The lion finally dies. D. The lion is pleased by the rabbit's words, so it does not eat the rabbit. 5. What did the lion see when it looked in the well? Write the answer below in the comments.